Good day, viewers. Thanks for watching. Please look at the question we have on the board and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Look at the question. It says, solve for x if 8, of course you know this. I'm not going to talk more on this so that I won't shift our attention from indices, but I will still make a video on calculus and then I will explain this exponential very well, this very well. But just follow me. Or maybe I'm going to teach another question that relates to this. Then in that video, I'm going to dissect this to an extent. But I prefer doing it in its own topic. Okay, now let's continue. Solution. We have 8 e raised power s. I will call it e raised power s. Exponential, but let me just call it e raised power x. But this is not ordinary e raised power x. Uh, this is a term in calculus. A term in calculus. It's a term in calculus. So plus 15 d raised power x equals to 26. What do we do? First of all, this raised power x, 8 exponential plus this. What does this thing mean? 15 times e raised power minus x. Of course, you know it's not e, like I said. Then 8 exponential x raised power x plus 15 times 1 over this equal to 26. Okay? 15 times 1 will give us 15 over exponential function, which is equal to what? 26, right? So here, we're going to find LCM here. So 8 exponential plus 15 over exponential raised power x. Don't get confused, though. Over 1. LCM now becomes this. I prefer calling it this. Then, here we're going to have 1 divided by this is this. Times this, we're going to have 8 exponential square. So I'm going to call it plus exponential divided by exponential will give us 15. That is 1. 1 times 15, 15. Don't forget, equal to 26, equal to 26. And this thing now means 8 exponential square, which is 2x plus 15 over exponential equals to what? 26. The exponential function. What do you do here? A cross multiply. So here you have 8 plus 15 equals to 26 exponential function. So here you have 8 exponential square plus 15 minus 26 exponential equal to 0. Here you rearrange. When you rearrange, you have 8 exponential square minus 26 exponential plus 15 equal to 0. Next thing you do, factorize. How then do you factorize? Common factor of 26. So remember I taught you factorization and I told you that, oh, I haven't taught factorization here, but I remember I told you about the types of factorization. Right? But in here, we need 2 common factors that will give us 26, which are minus 20 and minus 6. Minus 20 minus 6 will give us what? Minus 26. So here we have 8 exponential square minus 20 exponential, then minus 6 exponential plus 15 equal to 0. So this, I repeat this statement, mathematical statement here. So you group them. Uh, when we group them, common factor here is 4. Is what? 4. So here becomes 4 into bracket, not just 4, 4 exponential into bracket 2 exponential function, then minus 5. Then here minus 3 into bracket 2 exponential function, then plus, sorry, minus 5, because minus times minus will give us plus 5 equal to 0. So here we have 4 exponential minus 3, then bracket 2 exponential minus 5, since this and that are the same. So this thing means 4 exponential minus 3 equal to 0, which implies that this 4 exponential is equals to 3, because when minus 3 crosses here, it gives us what? Plus 3. So we make this subject of formula. We're going to have exponential equals to 3 over 4 equal to what? 3 over 4. Why? The other one, we have 2 exponential minus 5 equals to 0, which implies that this is equal to 5. And exponential function here is equals to 5 over 2. Now, based on what I told you about this in calculus, we have this. Now, changing this thing now to indices and base. This thing means, this simply means ln 5 minus ln 2. Why? That is for this. Why that for this one is what? Ln 3 minus ln 4. I know you are confused right now as how I got this. Following my next video, I'm going to explain this better. But in this video, I'm not going to explain this now. Does that surprise you? Yes, I'm not going to explain this now. I have another question on this. In that question, I'm going to strike a balance on this. For now, if you observe, I'm just calling it this exponential function. Before I start the video, I'm going to explain this thing alone on its own and how it connects to this lane. But for now, I believe you understood the steps. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.